Hi everybody, in this lesson video we are going to paint the rainbow, and your tables are going to have a tray with the egg carton with the colors that you need, and on the tray there's going to be a piece of toweling. You're going to have your tub of water and your paintbrush. Everything doesn't fit in the camera for me, so you're not going to see that all the time. So I'm going to set this out of the way. And I'm going to set my paints and stuff out of the way so you can just see the paper that I'm working on. And before you begin, you're going to write your name on the paper. And today, since later on we're going to be cutting our rainbow out, for today you can put your name right on the front, okay? So once that's done, you're going to get your paintbrush. And you all know what the first color of the rainbow is, right? If you look around the room, I have a rainbow all around the room. Red is the first color. So we're going to take our brush, and you're going to first wipe your brush on the toweling to get the extra water so your paintbrush isn't drippy. And then I'm going to go to, there, it's in the camera, the red paint. And if you notice, I tried to put the paint only on the hair of the brush. It's not going all the way up here. The first thing that you paint, you're going to start at the bottom, and you're going to follow that arching line all the way around to make your rainbow. You might have to go back and get more paint, but I'm going all the way around, and my paper is so big it doesn't fit completely in the camera, so I'm moving it so you can see where I'm going. So there is my red arch. Now I want to change colors. So to change colors, I'm going to clean the brush in the water. I'm not going to tap the brush, because if I do that, it's going to spray paint water all over my work and someone else's. Now I don't want my paintbrush to be drippy, so I'm going to wipe it. Well, you can't see what I'm doing. Wipe it on the toweling. And now I'm going to go into my next color. What's the next color? Right, orange. So red starts with the letter R. Orange starts with the letter O. In art, we sometimes remind ourselves of the order by saying Roy, G, Biv. And that's just the first letter of each color. So right now we're working on the first name, Roy. R, O, and Y. So I just gave it away. You know what the next color is after orange, right? Yellow. And if you forget, you just look up at the rainbow around the room. What do I do after I've painted my orange? Yes, I clean it in the water, and I'm just bringing my water in front of the camera so you can see what I'm doing. I'm not splashing, and I'm not tapping my brush, and now I'm going to wipe it on the toweling that's outside the screen so my paintbrush isn't dripping. Now I'm going to go to the yellow paint, and same thing, I'm going to leave a little space. I'm not going to touch the orange, but I'm going to paint my yellow line or yellow color of the rainbow. So now if I was spelling, this would be Roy. Red, orange, yellow. R-O-Y. What do I do? Yep, clean my brush in the water and then wipe it on the towel so it's not dripping. What color do I go to next? That's right, I go to green. And same thing, I'm going to follow those same rules. I'm going to go close to that yellow line, but not on top of it. I'm not going to touch it, because I don't want to mix up my colors. I want my rainbow to look nice. So go slow. That always helps with this. All right? And by now you know, clean the brush, dry it on the toweling. Next color is blue. And I'm going to go right around with that. Ooh, I got close to the green on that one. And just try to take your time. And then I have my last color. I'm cleaning my brush, I'm wiping it on the toweling, and I'm going to purple. Now when we say Roy G. Biv, we call it purple, but it's also known by the word violet. I like to say purple though, because violet to me means something a little bit different. All right, so I've got my rainbow. Once you're done, I'm going to show you how I put it in the dry rack for you. I hope you had fun.